Hello, my name is Sue Sweetek. I'm the owner of Hubba Hubba Foods in York, Maine. Today we are going to be making chia pudding, which is a great healthy breakfast or dessert using our sweetie pie spice. This I invented as a substitute for pumpkin pie spice or apple pie spice. And we are going to be following this recipe. If you have met me at a fair or if you've placed an online order, you are familiar with those recipe cards because you get one with every spice that you purchase from me. So let's get started. First of all, we're starting with a half a cup of milk. I'm using almond milk today. You can use cow's milk, oat milk, whatever you like. It works no matter what kind of milk you use. The next ingredient, according to our recipe card, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Like so. Okay, next ingredient is a tablespoon of the sweetener. I am using maple syrup today because we are in Maine and I love my maple syrup. You can use honey, you can use sugar. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. Okay, next, most importantly, we've got our sweetie pie. Sweetie pie contains cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cardamom. That's my little secret. And we're gonna add that in there and it's gonna give so much flavor to our pudding. And the last ingredient, not quite last, almost last, is a pinch of salt. Salt brings up, even in sweet things, it enhances the flavor. It's not gonna taste salty at all. And the last thing is some add-ins. Just like when you're making an ice cream sundae, you're gonna add a few things. So today I'm adding about a half a cup of chopped apple and about a tablespoon of chopped pecans. But you can add whatever you like. You can use dried fruit, you can use any nut you like, you do you. Okay, so we're gonna give this a stir. I like to use a whisk. And we're giving it a stir. It is all combined and it does not in the least look like pudding, does it? So that's okay. Nothing has gone wrong. This is what it's gonna look like for a while. You're gonna put this in a container, put it in your refrigerator. If you think of it, give it a stir every once in a while. And when it's done, it's going to look like this. And as you can see, it is completely thickened. Those chia seeds have absorbed all of the liquid. And you may have noticed you don't see any pecans in there. That's because this one I made, again, because it's mine, I get to do it the way I like it. I put raisins and slivered almonds in this one. So this is gonna be my breakfast for today. And it's super filling. And hopefully the sweetie pie has done its job and made it delicious. Lots of crunch from those nuts. And this is gonna keep me full all the way till lunchtime. I hope you give it a try. The recipe will be in the comments. Enjoy.